I wake up every day as flesh and bones, humbled alone, weak on my own. Lord, you love me bare and natural. You meet me where I am, still high on your throne.
I look up to you in all I do. You're my example of perfection. To be pleasing in your sight is my sole goal in this life. But there's no pressure to be perfect. Perfect you are. Perfect you are. So I don't have to be perfect. Perfect you are. You are.
We try our best, but sometimes we fall short. It's part of our desire. It's what we need God for. No record keeping, no, He won't take score. Just standing in the gap, waiting to restore.
The merciful love that you show, you're my example of perfection. To be pleasing in your sight is my soul goal in this life. But there's no pressure to be perfect. Lord, you are. You're perfect. So I don't have to be perfect. I don't. 'Cause you are. You are. Righteous Judge, the Holy One, you know every intention of my heart. You're the spotless Lamb, the blameless Son, yet no mistake could break us apart. Apart.
You're super to my natural, you're extra to my ordinary flaws. Hold my hand through it all, forgive me every time I fall. Help me to see that I don't need to be worthy.
You are. You are. So I don't have to be perfect to be. You are perfect. So I don't have to be perfect. I feel good, like I'm walking on sunshine, and there's nothing that can bring me down. Real good, like joy came in the morning, and the birds are singing sweeter sounds. The songs that make free if I just believe I am. Vision is key, so if you can see, you can rise above it. So when life is life and trouble's troubling, issues pile up, remember is life and
trouble is troubling.
issues pile up.